I know it's disappointing. You understand me that you leave Africa and reach back to Africa. I know it's disappointing. But let me say this to you as a young girl who your country teaches you how to be independent should never be wasting such an experience with an individual like this. Lando has been making money off the app for a very long time. Never you and a man come lay down on a pillow without case on your pillow. You see any life where you not live, MU? You see any life where you not live, never you make a boy force you to live it. If it's less than what you are used to, never you make a boy force you to live how they want you to live or how they are living. I want to play something.
They contradict themselves so much. 1 minute them I say, oh, Bill with a man. The next minute, oh, me wouldn't do this, me wouldn't do that. They're contradicting. Them don't have a man of them own. Do not make them ruin their experience. Enjoy your woman.
No.
If you want do, or not do it. And if me that, Emmy black you all of the girl them where you see a class, you and black them. All of them where you see in the comments I talk about, you know, black them. Them too hypocritical. You're too hypocritical. Me don't love you dirty ways. Enjoy your woman and
Yes,
have fun. Enjoy your woman and have fun. Them no need to know your business. Them though important, really and truly, because she never come here to see them. She come here to see you, and yeah, Emmy talk every day, and she know the code already.
Right.
Have fun, sweetie. Enjoy the trip here.
Right. So what I have to say about that statement, you know, people? What a reason. What I have to say about that statement, yeah. You don't know what I so. Oh, this are Lando and Emmy. What I have to say.
About Lando, I make it funny a long time. The man cause not able to make content for long. And Lando can't fix up in place. But when them go to them and meet up as TikToker, you know, well dressed up, in a look about three. Careless man.
Martin, Lando, Martin.
Send money, come give them and send them big gift. And them a rank and them ever they on the podium.
Martin a chat yo.
Outside kitchen and all of them something there. Oh sir, you must see one Emmy to take your brother them scamming money and help her. Because she has some brother there, you know, about 3 grams. When them ring card, you know, man, and shoot down to their sister, you know.
Martin, you know, see me dey on live. Me dey on live, you know, no send me no more voice note. I can't incriminate you no more. No send me no more voice note. Somebody said there's a difference between humbleness and slackness, which is true. Alright now, wanna have to say, some people don't care about their surrounding. They don't care about household. The truth is at them have to live in there. No, let me say this now, people. You see where we know Lando come from and this Lando might not get. Come soon come to Blue Ivy. A Blue Ivy she name? Blue Lagoon. Soon come to Blueness. You understand me? Lando, let me tell you the truth. You're a man that take woman. A woman you take. It's not like you take another boy. You understand me? It's not like you take another boy. But Lando, let me tell you the truth. Your place can start out dirty, but you have to go fix it up. Just take your time and fix it up. Nothing wrong with it. And every day you also go clean either. But good God, man, you have days when you have to get up and do something. Let me tell you something. You can't be hot boy on the app and people are going to hold you accountable based on your behavior. Now it's not the time for back out and say, but me and a hot boy, me never profess to be hot boy. Draw back for the digital footprint. You don't have to say it, you perform it. Alright, then moving along. Then oh, your face so smooth and your bed and your pillow. I feel like me just want to ask you something. Lando, you live like a gunman. You live like a gunman. And when I say a gunman, I mean a criminal. For sure. You live like a bubble in the hills. You live like a bubble in the hill. Let me say this, because Me go come down the line, you know, and the truth is the truth. No, but Lando, me I tell you the truth, you got the girl yard, you see? Nobody no wants to say it, you know, but me I go come out and say it. Nobody wants to say this, but I am going to say it. You know, somehow the man mash up girl, when you go after girl success, you when she come and she see your place and you don't move a muscle, and you know you have your $1 put on, can you mean? Obviously you want your mouth, Emmy, that M girl. Obviously you want your marrow. Let me tell you something. When you don't trust Lando as him look, do not trust Lando as him look. Every year life, you want your life to feel like it's a joke. It's not lie. Let me say this. Emmy, you know? No, me not telling a lie. You want to eat out the girl. I'm going to tell you the truth. You want to eat out the girl. If you did respect the girl, you don't make provisions for that girl arrival. You're not making it. But me tell you, say, Able Boss look away. Able Boss turn him head because Able Boss knows that this is a Grace. When Able Boss go look for Queen and foreign, you know, he make provisions, you know, with Louise Mokakafat, Louise. It's just the truth. You're not too mean. You're mean. You're not a man for build with and start life with. You're too mean. And this is a sign. You're very mean. It's a sign this. You're very mean. You got Africa what there. Look on the girl place. If Emmy is the one where work and buy fair things them and set up for yourself as a young lady, why Big Crutches Blue Royal? I encourage the girl. You understand? If you go lay down with a mean dirty man, why? Just answer the question, Blue Royal. All the same, your pum pum no value nothing, so you can't answer. But can a scientific exam this me I give Blue Royal? How can a scientific exam this me I give the child? And the whole of the sell crutches via gigabytes. When Blue Royal get over for your client them for pushing her big no sweet, then what you think she'll do? She'll spray and hide the dust them underneath the closet. That's how we go to work. When boy you come and wipe off a toilet seat, the boy bleach nearly make the boy cry. You think I'm missing miss way? It's just a meat way. We bleach out everywhere. If man not come right now, my boss sweat, you see me smell all moly. We understand if you go through a perilous time. You know you go through walk of fame. Because you not reach it yet, you know, we understand all of that. But what you put out there in the public, people's expectation and their mindset, it's stating that this little youth, I make wave, this little youth energy is so encouraging and we don't know nothing about him, you know? But all him do I pretend. And we said that little youth you look like him have him head pan him body. That little youth you look like say when him go in at night time, you know, him have somewhere nice to rest him head. And these are the stuff people now understand. So it's what you put out there. It's what you put out there. And what you put out there you receive. That's all. And what you put out there, man, you receive. Nothing more. It has to be a prank. It has to be a prank. This must be a skit. I must want all your them rent. I must want all your them rent. I must have all your. Because then Emily leave Africa come to prank. Then Emily no sit down and live and cry. And Lando wipe her tears. And she come up and say, I love the person. It's not about it.
Let me tell you guys something that you don't understand, guys. Me, I grew up I wasn't born with a golden spoon, okay? It's true that I worked for what I have in order to make myself comfortable today, but I wasn't born with a golden spoon in my mouth, okay? So all of you making it look like, no. People have to start from somewhere. Everybody has to start from somewhere. And the greatest thing is when you look back at where you're from and then you see where you've, like everything you've overcome and where you are today. That's the greatest joy that life can offer, for real. And that's one thing people that were born in extreme riches, they can never get to really understand like fully. So I know what it feels like to be down there. And I also know what it feels like to be comfortable because I'm not rich. I wouldn't say I'm rich, wealthy. No. I'm just comfortable in life. So you guys need to understand that life is a journey and sometimes you cannot rush the journey. It's a process and there are stages to every process. So there are stages to it. So you cannot skip a certain stage. Okay. So yeah.
Stop it, Emily. No make no man dog you out. Stop it. You're a young girl. And this is where una females go wrong. Una independent, hardworking females, this is where una go wrong. If you can state that you are independent and everything you work for, let me just say this to you. Why you should have tried grow and stop? You're moving forward. See a little boy like this. No, Emily, you have more ambition than your man. Remember Nisha. Remember Nisha stop her life to build life with Owie. Remember Nisha tired for talk about this, and that's why no una little girl never make it in an adult future. Don't try to see your face and the truth people at all. Do not try to see your face. It's the truth. A shitty a chat. And Blue Royal for going. I want you she in one bag of mix up. Remember say them walk and breathe for them gift, you know. Oh, them walk and give for them gift of them crutches. One lion them skin out. Rawr. Yeah. It's just the truth. Let me say this, Emmy. Let me say this. I know it's disappointing. You understand me that you leave Africa and reach back to Africa. I know it's disappointing. But let me say this to you. As a young girl who your country teaches you how to be independent, should never be wasting such an experience with an individual like this. Lando has been making money off the app for a very long time. Never you and a man come lay down on a pillow without case upon your pillow. You see any life where you not live, MU. You see any life where you not live, never you make a boy force you to live it. If it's less than what you are used to, never you make a boy force you to live how they want you to live and how they are living. I'm tired to talk about this on my program. I'm tired to say enough time girls stop them moving forward for man catch them up and what it profit you in the long run. We only can profess now say we love each other. You're not even if it's infatuation. You don't even know if it's infatuation. These are the stuff. And for here, Blue Royal, I encourage a young lady like this when her crutches you are still in a year old age. I encourage a young lady like this just to be like you. These are the stuff I talk about on a daily. If you're not doing it and you're not allowing anybody else to do it, well, you can't make pretty face and dirty life catch you know. Cause Lando no look bad. You understand me? Him can go on as though him look close to spectrum. But him can't go on, man. You get what me I say? So you can't afford to do that. You cannot do that. I'm going to tell the people every single day, if you want to mash up yourself, take advice from the internet. As long as you're ready for mash. Catch you want? As long as you're ready to mash. And it's not fair. And Emily, I understand your defense because you have to defend your man. But it don't look good for you. Your man careless. Your man careless and mean. Your man careless and mean. If him no plan for live good, you can't even come there and say you're straighten up. Me I want the kitchen lean. Me I forgot to look up on the video. I want the camera itself lean because I know any time I saw me I feel look. And for you as a big dig out girl, Blue Royal, you do your days, you leave your disgrace out a road. To be encouraging a little girl like this. No! The girl even confess out her mouth. That's why our confession no match our action. You understand me? I own what I own because I work for what I want. What man is this you're taking? What man is this you're taking? And if you know the strips from before, why you coming at the mess? Why you coming at the mess? Everybody I buy big bed and good bed. Lando can't get himself a good bed, man. Good God Almighty. Own where your parents never own. All of your life, you're going to content and you're not living a life? Then we want to know what kind of stove you have. Is it a big rotted stove in that little house and the perry? Them well-dressed with worthless mentality. Them well-dressed with worthless mentality. And that's why enough of them itch up and foreign and gyal wipe them front in their mouth. It's true. Because them well-dressed, you know, with careless mentality. Good God, man, you're sitting in the slum long, man. You must say, you know, I want to change. I I want a change. God know I want something. I want when the rain a fall, it feel different. I want 2 scented candle when I done wipe out. You know? Emily is a beautiful girl. And then you're so mean. You don't even care how to get a proper hairdo. A proper hairdo like your cut cast. Like fair hairdo. A free you get it. A free she get it. No, man, I don't like the liberty. Emily make case and go back. It's just not fair. And I don't want woman. I know say a community a force enough boy for take girl. Because you can't take what you don't know how to treat. I know say a community force enough boy for take girl. You can't me say Lando run the house like her ends. Like a this man in bridging them bonal weed. You know them way there? I swim around the place. You're a young girl. You can't say you're trying a life and accomplish so much. Look when we see your place and Africa. And look how your place look good for a young girl. And for come lay down in a mess. This no match. This don't match. This coming like Jakes we claim to say map how much teen subjects. 40 subjects and lay down in a dirty place. What's wrong with you people? And then everything on a videotape. That make it nice. That make it nice. I want to be authentic and natural. Not with my garbage. Not with my rubbish. But too much man. No, and a young girl need to know better. A young girl need to know better. And everybody worth on an ambition. Let me tell you that. Body no worth on an ambition. Body don't worth it. Una for be better. Una for be better. Me think you did have sense for your African sister. How you know make Esther mad now? No, it's true. Nobody no wants to love you so. Una young, una infatuated. Number one, Lando not even know him head from him foot. Him can wash him old. Can he wash his old good? Eh? Me say that's why him always in the old clothes them. Him always adjust according to him living condition, and it's true. Lando isn't too young. Lando is not immature. You see, these are the stuff we talk about people who are going into adulthood and who are in adulthood. You understand me? Lando isn't immature. Lando wants us to believe that he's a child. He's not immature. Let me say this to you guys. He wants to be him, and that's why enough on the picnic trick until them breed. Because them always want to believe that they are kids same way. They always, it's a psychological effect, you know. It's a psychological effect. If Lando is immature at this stage, let me say this to you. Thank you, Keely. Let me say this to you. A lot of us baby fathers are immature. I'm not asking you, because when you're man to be a man around you, you have to be a man in your feminine state. So do not say to me that this individual is immature. Because Lando wants to be on his own. That tells somebody who have a grown mentality or a grown foresight. You understand me? He might have a youthful look, but he wants to be on his own. Lando took his immature self and make his way to Africa. So when do we cut from the level of being immature? What age? I know age don't come with maturity for someone, you know, but at what age? Because since you're out the road with your immature self and avoiding many problems with your immature self, I want to know if you're really immature to the point where you don't even know how to set up your surrounding. You have never been into any of your friends' house or anybody's house. How is the house behind you, the one where you're eating the box food? How is it looking? So when everyone wants to sit and justify Rosalie is immature, the new way to live nasty is to be immature. And that is just the truth. Me think living nasty when you're depressed. Me see younger than Lando spread bed, that does something with me, you know, do. Me see younger than Lando sweep up yard. You know, go like Lando band with gold spoon in their mouth. So when Emily says she not born with gold spoon in her mouth. She knows she come from a humble beginning. That's not humbling you where you are little, you know. That's not humbleness, that's slackness. Them know you come. That is not humbleness. So Emily, Emmy, let me ask you something now. If you're coming from a humble beginning, why you want to start over? It wasn't pleasant. Ask you and Lando. You are coming from a humble beginning. You know what it is for where your sister draws, so to speak, or your brother tap. You don't know what it's like to bathe with one bath soap. You understand me? You don't know what it's like for washing a one pan. You don't know them something. You don't know what it's like to eat out of one pot. You get what I say? So I'm asking you a question. It wasn't pleasant. Why you want to make someone drag you there? You see, it's embarrassing, and it's okay to feel embarrassed. It's okay. It's okay. Lando spend most time life on the road doing foolery. And when you talk to them about what they're doing, them tell you, say, oh, I'm a career. It's not a career. Your career is to take the kitchen window from off of the sink. That's your career. You depend on the road for hours. You depend on life and do foolery. Emmy should have known not to come. Are you alone and go to Africa? Everything you wear the old clothes. And let me tell you something, Emmy. You have some careless girl, you know. Me not understand how you make a careless boy like this and bring in them content. When you have your head by your body. What kind of distraction is this? What kind of distraction is this? Lando is doing Lando. He's not doing you. And this is the first red flag if you see as a young girl. He's doing him. Him do him. And they don't care. That's the first red flag. Somebody said the first scale is African eyes. Stop it. Yeah. Lando just had to pure foolishness and go and kill him dead at content in my bill and he might get highlight. You go look for your woman and pay all clothes they wear in Africa. You care the old clothes them go in. You know how long you do that? Good God Almighty. Me don't know how to find something. I want to find so much energy for putting at them something here. You don't want to lay down and think. You don't want to go inside, go just think about the future. Me just ask you something and Emmy no care what you want to say. It is embarrassing for your pokey. It's embarrassing on your pokey. I care zero what you want to say. Number one, I'm glad me not do girl, you know. I'm glad me not do girl. You could have never come down and me not carry go down a Princess Street or one of the bucket. Me have to carry down a Princess Street if me have the inner shop money, the AC money. Straight to Princess Street. Meet Fanny with a book cover. Yeah. Meet all along the lace and get it melt. Yeah. You think a joke? And everything in the post. My first hairstyle in Jamaica. It doesn't look good. Go back in. It's just the truth. No make no man embarrass you. Your first experience is supposed to feel welcome like speed. It's embarrassing. He has no way. What man is this? Oh, am I going to buy the cow, Emmy? Or am I going to buy the cow for Mario? Let me say something to him. Lando amateur in enough of a baby father. You know the perfect man will have his plan and ride on your back till him reach where him go. Then him tell you say it was a good journey. Him can't take your nagging no more. Bye. You know, Lando has the attitude for what a female have. And lurks on it. No for only no one talk, you know. But it's so true. Because we see evidence in them brother here that we seen enough man who will breed and take. Father, this grace be shown on him for Emmy to feel money hard for send from Africa to Jamaica. Money hard. I don't know how she going to do it, but maybe we don't have a way. Oh, you mean so when the white girl them come look for them man in the ghetto, we all know them fly down for food upon the internet, the boy them see them. We all know the relationship. That's why the boy them go over to go eat for a burger and lobster. You never know. Yeah. The boy them go over to go eat surf and turf. So what you really say? You said that for say what? Because me don't know how it match with this, you know. So you can see when the white girl them come down now. We all know them come down for enough of them come down for dancing and end up with body. We know that. It's not like say a secret. But yeah, see, you said that for say what? Because me can't make the connection in my baby. Hmm? Me can't make the connection. The question is Lando rich? Richness is a state of mind, my baby. I am pretty sure you're not rich, but your surrounding is not looking like that. The only way you could ask a question like that, if you can make reference to that surrounding because you know about it, you're living in it. So these are other questions where one really not make sense with. Richness is a state of mind. No one is telling or saying that Lando is rich. It not take a rich man to live good. It doesn't take a rich man to live good. Now challenge that and get back to me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm sorry. So when I try to justify things, it's not a tearing down. When I always make it seem like it's a tearing down. It's not a tearing down. We don't have no reason for tearing down, Lando, more than just point out the obvious. It's not about having ill feeling towards the individual. It's about you highlighting that your woman is coming, and upon her arrival, we don't see nothing different. All we see is content trying to make. No, is this a relationship or a foolership? We don't know what kind of ship. What kind of ship this? Remember saying that if you don't post it, we don't talk about it. If you don't want to talk about it, don't highlight it. You understand me? Because your woman could have come and lay down in the rubbish pan and everything go good. But the woman who want to defend Lando and not understanding that this individual, he could have done better. And enough of a woman love come up and cry and say, man hate we. These are the things we make man hate to, because you can't fly from many moons come lay down in a garbage pan. What kind of respect the youth got have for you? You think him gonna say, the girl that build with me and start from scratch? We hear that regular. A whole heap of baby mother get that. Yes. It's whole heap of baby mother get that. Me rate that girl that she there with me. She there with you and for you until you find better. We hear it, we live it, we see it. One thing with Abel boss, him always rent the good Airbnb them. Cause Abel say him want good life. So if you spar with all of these TikTokers, you don't learn nothing from them, Lando, you're just mean. You're just mean. You're just mean. Oh, you're planning for buy your house, and you're ready for buy your house. Then oh, you gonna buy furniture put in your house, my love. Oh, it's not the time. We granny don't struggle with man for we. We granny don't struggle with man for we. And it's not like Emmy White. We can't say, oh, they are so, you know, naive to certain things. Okay, you understand me? No, she come from the grassroots. This is unethical. This is unethical. No, some of we know the man them we are date. Enough of we know the man them we are date. Lando want to use all the relationship for build content. He's not the guy for Emmy. He's not the guy for Emmy. And it's not immaturity. It's a struggle for popularity and wanting to be famous. It's not immaturity. When you're struggling to be famous, look what it did to Tavi. So when you not say it's immature, no. It's just fame and popularity, my look. It's just the truth. So I'm gonna stop walking around justifying for this individual who is a grown young man. Stop. And the immaturity, this in a way, he might always behave so. He's just struggling to be famous. Emmy no they know it first. I just fame him want. He wants fame so badly. So it's not gonna stop talking about immaturity. Immaturity. Him know him want to eat. Him know him stomach a call for. And he's going to go and drive and get it. He's going to get what him want. So no stop it. Fear is fear. This is a beautiful young lady. Many times no care what have we head for our body. Many times we fall short. Many times we fall short. Many times even in church we fall short. We get distracted. So what about you guys out there? She's a beautiful young lady who deserves way better. This is not better. Don't be afraid to call it. It's not better. This is not better. This is better. Don't be afraid to call it out. It's true. And the reason why the internet is not answer, it's because what they portray is not what is the truth. That is the truth. When you sit on the internet, Emmy, let me tell you this. I must say you alone love him because him love fame more than you. And when him get famous, him now go remember you. I kid you not. I am telling you because if you find a man first love, if you're not his first love, move along. Don't follow Batman, but move around. Because Batman can't move around the hello. And Blue Royal is a careless girl. But then again, Blue Royal no front. Her front want a cashier for check off all of them out there. Yeah. Do not. Lando is too pretty of a guy to be living like that. And that's just the truth. His living condition does not match his image. And Emmy, you need to take your relationship out of content. Don't make your relationship be any content. These are the things, these are the mistakes you always make. Everything a content. Then our boy if you take on the serious when him can't get on a run joke. You and this content. You know, there is no content creator. What woman are you? These are the questions I want to ask you. What woman are you? So when you come here try to see your face, my baby, trust and believe. You look like an asshole in Jamaica now. If nobody now tell you. You need a real man. You need a real man. You need a boy when you come here, people know say you go home, go lay down somewhere good. Not Airbnb. You understand because you don't show the address already. So if you go in an Airbnb, you know it now go look good to nobody. You understand me? Because after you gone, the master Lando gone back to little house and the period. I do want to say rump and dump, you know. I do want to say so. But it's just the truth, my baby. This is what happened when you put on a life on the internet. I'm tired for tell you now. You see, when you put all on the life, and people are going to criticize on the life. We Jamaicans going to let her leave him, oh God. She needs to leave him ASAP, and it's just the truth. She needs to leave Lando ASAP. You know why? It's good for her, it's good for him. Maybe it will teach him how to take care of himself, and it will teach you about her mistake which she almost make. You never know. So it's enough for you tie people together even when you see the situations not look good. Out of pity. No, out of pity. It's just the truth. That young lady needs to understand her value. She got none. She got no values. It's true, them love struggling, man. She got no values. It's just sad to say. You're a beautiful young lady, ambitious young lady, but you've lost your value. She better depend tie off. She better take tie off. Because if him ever breed, I don't know where to go. Because number one, I don't think him ready to be a dad either, and she not ready, look like she ready to be a mom. So she better go and eat the pill for me. It's just the truth. No disrespect, big man Lando, but let me say this to you. You can't have your woman come from so far and make she come lay down in a dump. He's not a youth like a regular boy where a struggler, you know, say I build up him ranch and it not two and the bed just a start like bed. Me respect that youth there. Me respect that youth there with the louver window and the curtain with favor strainer. I respect such a youth and him big TV and him board wall. That's the only big thing in him house. And him know same foreign girl come down. He and just spend 2 nights in him Rata Castle, number 15, and him and Nara finish the rest of Airbnb. I lie. Me respect that youth, but for you who is on the app making money, you have been on the app for a very long time, and you can't tell me say you don't have $1. You can't afford for your girlfriend. You know how cute when you look as a couple. You don't even know how cute you are trying to look cuter than she. You don't even know. You don't even know how cute you look at try to look cuter than her. You know how cute when you look as a young couple can motivate others. And for you sit down and do content every day. Eh? Your house favor all cause dress. On a serious note, your house favor all cause look. Me can't hide it no more, yeah man. Me think say this suckers live. And then a suckers live in a at that at 4 planes for come lay down on bed without pillowcase. Me can't hide it no more, we just can't hide it no more. yeah. Me love cousin, but that's the truth. Me love cousin true. Me not care nobody want to say you're a natural African princess. You're a natural woman. Protect that. Protect it. Although when it comes to our front, we don't care about our looks. It's a content ship. No, for true. You're a beautiful young lady. You deserve better, way better. You don't need to start your life like this. Me and your boyfriend, you know. And you say if him did that do better for himself, I would have encouraged you to the max and said, you know, see where this can go. Because of something you like to. You know? But you are a beautiful young lady. You don't need to start your life like this. A matter of fact, your family them teach you how to make yourself in a woman. Never you let a man teach you how to make yourself in a girl. And at this so you go, my baby. Don't make a man draw you back from where your mama them take you from. When Lando sit down and listen to Blue Royal, Lando don't care. Lando worse than Rosalie. Don't to Rosalie have more remorse for just go to jail and come back. Lando don't care. Lando want to hear every good thing what the people have said about him. No. Him a cook little porridge girl. Is a content. Him a carry the porridge come get into the bed is a content. Just because him want to be famous, him expose him living condition. You know, see it, Emmy? So let me ask you a question. You think this is love? Because you're in it, you know. But as far as me, say you and him argue about this already. This ain't love. Yeah, by any means necessary, I forget famous. By any means necessary. This ain't love, my baby. Pack up and run. Me give you permission. Me give you permission to go. Hit the road, Jack, and then you come back now. No. Yeah. Don't make no man dog ears you. You're a beautiful girl. You come from the motherland. If any farmer woman, a woman living in your womanity, a femininity, and anything at all for female, if you have an ounce of female living in you, pack up yourself and run. Pack up yourself. Discover your reach. Pack up yourself and run, Emmy. If you have any farmer, a female living in you, he's not the man for you. Remember me tell you. All when you're married 5 years after, he's not the man for you. He's a man chasing his dreams. He's not chasing you. Make that settle little. You get it? Always remember that. And not for we girl take man, we are chase them dreams and now we alone love them. We alone love them and them are chase them dreams. Yeah. He's a man chasing dreams while you are chase him. You need to stop. Chase him dreams. Yeah. He might chase him dreams, you know, no matter what that guy, you see, enough man have a aim in them heart, you know, and don't even have in their mind. And the whole of we as females sit down and I watch it and I see it. Him a go like him a gunman dep on the ends. Eh? So when you gonna make video Emmy and say, I'm coming from a humble beginning, why you wanna go back there first and foremost? Why? I just that more wanna ask you. I understand and we video call each other, why you coming at the mess? Is it because of body? So all you come from a humble beginning and you're a girl will step up yourself. You just not have no ambition when it comes to cocky. That's just it. You go shame for sure. That is why I say, he never study your culture because he's busy and make content. Because if he had studied your culture, he would have tried all up your heritage. Of course, the child house look beautiful. And Jamaican is hard for Lando. That is what we are saying. Jamaican is hard for Lando. He could have done better. Happy kind of people, my love on one, yes, for me I leave it. Big up on a nice, clean, stay good self, stay blessed, keep sweet, live, laugh, love, and put God before everything and everyone. Later.